Today, we're repairing an Apple Watch S9 with severely shattered outer glass. You can see with the naked eye that it's badly broken. Fortunately, after testing, both the display and touch are working fine. Under white picture, there's no display leakage or lines either. So for this situation, just replacing the outer glass will solve it. Place the watch on a heating pad to preheat. Insert a blade along the edge of the screen and add a small amount of alcohol to soften the sealing adhesive underneath. Open the screen easily. Peel up the flex cable on the back of the screen. Lift the latch and unplug the flex. With such a shattered screen, we definitely need to use a laser machine. This greatly reduces the risk during separation. Apply UV glue to the shattered screen. Stick on a tempered glass protector and cure it under a UV lamp. This turns the shattered screen into one solid piece, making the outer glass replacement essentially foolproof. After the screen has been scanned, running the cutting wire through becomes very easy. Separation is done in less than 10 seconds. Then roll off the remaining OCA adhesive. Wipe and clean the screen over and over until spotless. Peel off the protective film from the new outer glass cover. Align the display with the cover glass. Then place it into the laminating machine for bonding. After lamination, take out the screen. There are still a few bubbles, so put it directly into the debubbling machine to remove them. While waiting for debubbling, we clean the watch frame. Remove the remaining adhesive and wipe away the dirt and dust that has accumulated over time. The restored screen is then reinserted into the display flex cable and snap the latch back in place. Apply a ring of specialized sealing adhesive around the watch frame. This adhesive provides water and dust resistance for daily use. But whether it's an official repair or a third-party one, the watch after repair is only suitable for everyday splash-proof use. It should not be submerged in water for extended periods. Now let's take a look at the result. Let's test the display and touch again. The pure white screen shows no leakage and no colored spots. In the About interface, it's still the same watch. Then we test the touch. Sliding app icons around and swiping along all edges. No touch interruptions. That's it for today's watch repair.